Hi, this is Cheryl St. Pierre, and this is a package opening with Global Land. Now, I haven't done a package opening with Global Land for a while, but what I have learned is that their stock and inventory moves very fast. So if you're wanting to get the pieces I'm showing today, you should check into it right away to see if you can get them in supply. So I will have the links in the description, and if the links don't go to anything, that probably means that it's out of stock already. But you know, right now they've got crazy prices going on, so you really need to check them out. I mean, I saw some stamp sets for 75 cents. So yeah, take advantage, take a look, and I'm going to show you what I've got here. And the first item I'm showing is Gnome Valentine set. Now, just because it says Valentine set doesn't mean that that's what all you can use it for. I mean, this cute little gnome set here, all it says is love you, and he's got roses. So this could just mean like, oh, and she's got, looks maybe like a box of chocolates. You know, does kind of look like Valentine's Day, but it could be anniversary. Here's wording that says wishing you joy. Gnome, sweet gnome, good luck. And from our gnome to yours. And they got this cute little truck. You know, the truck theme is really popular. And of course, this gnome is definitely Valentine's Day. It's Cupid. Oh. And it says, I love gnome no matter, I love you no matter what. So that's really cute too. And then this gnome is hanging by balloons, of course, heart balloons. So it's got a little lock, a little envelope, lots of little things to use. Here's a heart with flowers and a flower. So this is a cute little stamp set, one worth looking into. The next thing I have here is a die cut set, and I'm going to take it out of the package. I'm going to be calling it graduation label cutting die, and I got it mainly for these tag dies. You break it apart, of course, and then but for all my jewelry people, I know this is out of the norm for me to do cards and stuff, but I am planning on making a pair of earrings with this set. So that will be one of their tutorials I'm doing with them. And I'm going to make a pair of earrings. And I might be using this in a card too. I haven't decided on the card set yet. So anyways, this has some really cute little things that you could cut out of paper with this. The graduation cap. A bunch of words. Let's tip it up. Oh, you can't see it. But if you click on the link, maybe you could get it. There's thank you, congrats, grad, I think. Congratulations, yes. It's got congrats and congratulations. So you could have the choice there. And these are like a gift tag that you would put with the graduation card. This one has graduation cap, and it says congrats on it. And what does this say? Something of you. Proud of you. There. I'm trying to read it backwards. Proud of you. And the graduation cap. So, and it's got cute scallops. So this would be more masculine one and more feminine one. Okay, so the next set is some lilies. And I've typed in lily, and I put in the search bar, and it did not show in. You have to type in the word lilies if you're going to go looking specifically for this, if you don't want to use my link I'm providing. And so it's got some writing here that you're supposed to use as an antique background. It's got some borders, and I love these lilies because I'm gonna stamp it with permanent stamp, and I'm gonna watercolor paint them. They'd be beautiful to watercolor paint. So I'm not sure if I'll show that as a card or not, but that's my intention, using it for watercolor painting. And then this last set is the Dragonfly set. And I'm going to take it out of the bag because this one's a little different. So it's got the stamps and it has the die cuts as well. Now let's see if I can open this package. Pull them out. Of course, it's going to be difficult. Well, basically it's got, you know, the lines shaping it around. It's got a fairly big border, so you'd have to be very specific in how you wanted to use it. And it actually has one little frame that you could put some of the words in. I know the BU would definitely fit in it. Would the Be Happy? Yes. They all the words fit in it. Be strong, be happy, and be you. So that could give you quite a variety of cards. You could use one, you could use 3 dragonflies, you could use, you could put them up because they've got the outlines, you could have them raised up. Quite a few options there. So, and they've got it so it's really nice to color. So you can make dragonflies very beautiful. Okay, well, thank you for joining me in this gift opening from Globaland. I will have their link in the description as well. And you know what? You should take a look around because, you know, simple cards, easy cards, or complicated cards, you're going to find what you want. Okay, well, thank you for joining me. Bye for now. God bless.